Hello, my dear children. I am Roshni and I welcome you all wholeheartedly to my channel, which is Roshni Tutorials. So, in this video, we are going to listen to another story which has some moral lesson to convey. So, in this video, what is special? Let me discuss with you all. In this video, we will try to find out and convey as well the faults of the parents, all right, and the observation of a little child. I keep on telling you all that it's not only children who go wrong every time. Sometimes it's parents as well, but because of their faults, we should not disrespect them. Rather, we should try to see why this is happening and whether we can cure it or not. If yes, then we should try to approach towards the solution. Alright, so let's listen to the story at first so that it will be easier for you to give me answers to my questions. Okay, so without much ado, let's start with the story. The title of the story is Mother, You Are Prejudiced. Now, here, prejudice means to have two opinions. Okay, two opinions. When somebody is in dilemma, that situation is called prejudiced. So, why the child is saying that mother is prejudiced? Let's find out. And this is also a letter to the mother. So, let me read out the letter for you all, which is written by a little Zumneza sang. Okay, Zumneza sang. Dear mother, as you read this letter, you are sure to be surprised. You will wonder why your daughter, who is with you from morning to night, should write a letter to you. Let me explain. As you know, Mom, I was a very active child when I was very young and used to be called tomboy. At that time, I was so naive and naughty that I gave you countless troubles. Yet you loved me and doted on me. Now I have grown up and become thoughtful, but something has caused us to become estranged. Mom, even though I am a girl, I like playing football. After school or between classes, my classmates and I fly vigorously around the football field. On Saturday afternoons, we girls even have a match with the boys without being outdone. Although sometimes we lose the game 10-0. We are still very pleased with ourselves. But the good times didn't last long. I never expected that you would give it a negative vote. I know, Mom, you think it's alright for girls to play basketball, volleyball, and elastic. But as far as playing football is concerned, evidently you have some prejudice. I remember once when I was very young, I fell off a ladder and got a scratch on my leg. You felt so sorry, you almost shed tears. But the other day, when I played football and got a cut an inch long that was bleeding constantly, you said cold heartedly, serves you right, and then added cruelly, if you play football again, I will break your legs. Mom, how I suffered during that night. I couldn't go to sleep and turned over and over again, as if I were lying in a flat pan toasting like a pie, because I could not understand why my mother, a teacher in contact with children all day, could be so narrow minded. Mom, do you still remember that day I got home late because I had been playing football? You flew into a rage that you locked me out. If the neighbors had not interceded for me, I really can't imagine how long I would have had to stay outside. The next day, asking for help, you went to see my teacher and lodged a complaint against me. Since then, I have had underground activities, but nothing can always be kept secret. After you knew that I still played football, you gave me two hard slaps on my cheeks. I felt wronged and cried out too loudly. I felt hurt because I could not understand the reason. You often mentioned to me how women were discriminated against in the past. In the old society, women could not have the right to be men's equals. Now, after liberation, the yoke that bound women has been smashed and women can be found in all jobs. Some have become state leaders. Some have even made outstanding achievements and have won honors for the motherland. I have aspirations and want to be outstanding in women's football for our country. Why do you have to make it a forbidden zone for me? My dear mother, times are different now. Our motherland is marching forward and society is marching forward too. Shouldn't your ideas also march forward? What do you say to that? With great respect, Zumneza sang, your daughter. So, this was the story, children. Now, let's analyze the story from our point of view. See, first of all, we should not discriminate between two sexes, that is, male and female. We should not say that this is the work for women because cooking is no more a job for a lady because Sandeep we have Sanjeev Kapoor who has showed his skills, who has showed his caliber in the field of cooking. Not only that, in the field of masculine tasks like mountaineering, there are ladies like Arunima Sinha, there are ladies like Mary Kom, there are ladies like Arti Shah who has done outstanding jobs even though they were ladies. So we should not keep certain tasks only for ladies because ladies are everywhere. Now it is the time for the boys to change as well. But on the top of that, we should be able to change our parents' mindset because in this story we have seen that the mother had problem because she thought that football is the game of the boys, but it is actually not at all because it is just a game which can be played by anyone. Okay, so here what we need to learn is that wherever we do, whatever we do, wherever we go, we should stick to the morality and we should help our parents. Now, sometimes parents might go wrong. We need to bring them back. We need to show them that what is there in our hand and what is not. If we will do that, then certainly parents will also understand our problems and we will live together forever. So, I hope you all like this story. Let me know in the comment section how was it and what are the changes that this particular story brings in your life. Do let me know through messages and when till the time we meet again, take care and bye bye. Thank you everyone for your love and support.